Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Google SafeSearch if locked. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, for phones, you can go ahead and open up Google right here. If you have the app, just like so, tap on it. Now tap on your profile at the very top. Now go ahead and find settings. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and find SafeSearch. Tap on it. Now just make sure that this one is turned off. Once that's done, close this one. Go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Tap on the three dots. Now go ahead over to settings right here. Scroll down a bit and find privacy and security. Just tap on it. And then we have right here, use secure DNS. Just make sure that this one is set to use your current service provider. Okay. So for computers, if you have Google Chrome on your computer, or maybe you're using a different browser that has Google, you just go ahead over to google.com. And then at the very bottom, you have settings. Then click on search settings. Find SafeSearch. Turn this off. Okay. And then after that, you should be good to go. Now, if you want another option, you go ahead over to settings and find your connection section on your phone. And then from here, just go ahead and find more connection settings. Okay. Right here. Tap on it. And then under private DNS, just make sure that you're using automatic. Hit on save. Once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is how you turn off Google SafeSearch if locked. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.